Number 97 of the series of 100 in jazz violin. I'm going to stick with the song All of Me. There's one more thing I want you to do here. I want you to map out all the common tones from chord to chord. Just like we did the half steps in the previous video, half step motions, there's many notes that are the same from chord to chord. Example, the first chord is C major 7. It has E's and B's. The second chord, E7, also has E's and B's. All right? That E remains in the third chord. It doesn't have a B in it, but you can do it and re-resolve it. The third chord, A, has an A in it, of course. The D minor chord next has A in it as well. And a D. Mess around with those two notes. The E7 also has a D. An E, and the A minor after that has an E as well. So between these kind of exercises, map them out, mess around them, see how little you can move. So you jump to the next note and then see if that's the same note in the next chord. Map out a little mini solo for yourself and using only the common notes that are from chord to chord. Then later you can mix it all together and know those are the juicy notes to aim for. I'll say it again. These half-step motions and the common tones are the juicy notes to aim for. You don't have to nail the tonic. That's the bass player's job. You can avoid the tonic if you want. Run around the scale, but aim for those good, juicy notes, and you'll sound like you know what you're doing, and by God, you will know what you're doing. Give it a try.